Okay, we're going to talk on Windows electrical. We're talking about the various actuators in the windows that do roll up the windows and roll it down. So we may not be able to see the exact actuator because we have to open down the door and disassemble it, but I will just show you the remote control system and the connection behind it, an overview. So when you look at this is kind of a remote system. Various vehicle has some in between the drivers and the passenger seats. Others have it at the size of each window, but this one, let's look at this. When you check, like I told you, every electrical connection in the vehicle usually comes with two wires, one for neutral and the other for life. So when we pull out this compartment here so that we can have a good view of it, so you can pull it out. Now hope we can see that connection is there, but that's not related to what we're doing. But so underneath this we can see electrical wires, so I'll just try and let us have a view of it. Okay, leave this up. Now let me position my phone the way we can view it. Okay, I think let's see whether I can position my phone. Now we can see underneath it, these are the connections here. All you need here is just little you have wires, but these wires are kind of, the connectors are kind of different because and here also you can see you will need a module for controlling it. You have to have modules. Different connectors have different wires, so it's kind of complex, but it's not technical. So the various wires are just duplications of purposes. So when we deal on more technical electrical problem, we are going to see, don't be scared with too much wires, but it's just the same simple technology, simple method you have seen. So there's what is behind that. So when we can check and fix it back, and now when you look at the door of the vehicle, in between this door, you have a motor, an actuator, a type of motor that tends to turn up the glasses when it's being turned on at those remotes. Thanks.